Few sights in nature seem as violently paradoxical as a woodpecker slamming its beak into solid wood or bafflingly into metal up to 20 times per second without injury. The rapid-fire rat-tat-tat that echoes through forests and suburban neighborhoods might appear self-destructive. But this persistent percussion is actually a symphony of evolutionary adaptations that make these birds biological marvels. The woodpecker's shock absorption system rivals any engineered safety gear. Their skulls feature spongy, shock-diffusing bone and beaks with flexible joints that disperse impact forces. Central to this protective apparatus is their remarkable hyoid bone, a structure that serves dual purposes with elegant efficiency. This specialized bone loops around the skull like a protective sling, anchoring their extraordinary tongue, which can extend twice the length of their beak. When feeding, this tongue snakes into tree crevices to extract insects. During impact, the same structure wraps around the skull like a living shark cord that stabilizes their head with every blow. But the true genius lies in their biomechanics. A wallet-sized brain minimizes impact trauma, while millisecond packs reduce force exposure, like tapping a wall briefly versus leaning into it. Their brains snug fit within the skull, and forward orientation distribute pressure evenly across the organ, unlike humans where cerebrospinal fluid allows damaging reverberations. Modern research confirms their protection comes from precise force redirection, not mythical brain padding, making them nature's living jackhammers capable of withstanding forces that would concuss any human. Yet, feeding only explains half their pecking behavior. The rapid drumming that distinguishes woodpeckers serves primarily as communication, using trees and increasingly human structures as acoustic instruments. When drumming on metal, they aren't employing their specialized tongues, but their hyoid suspension system still works over time, protecting their brain while they turn metal poles and gutters into prized amplifiers. The hollow resonance of these artificial structures carries territorial declarations farther than any tree trunk could, transforming human infrastructure into avian megaphones. Initial exploratory taps on metal aren't mistakes, they are adaptability in action. Woodpeckers repurpose human infrastructure as amplifiers, showcasing why they thrive where others fail. That metallic racket, a perfected survival strategy powered by evolutionary engineering that turns their heads into shock-proof tools. Their success lies not in brute force, but in precision biology and behavioral ingenuity. Nature's brilliance announced through relentless percussion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.